What's up, craft kids? You're about to see the easiest way to draw an airplane using just 3 ovals. This method is a total game changer for your sketchbook. First oval, right in the center of the page, midway up. Long, skinny oval, just like that.
It's like magic. Watch me do it.
That's a good one, Odin.
Yeah.
Good job. And you're right, it is a lot like magic. All right, Odin, we're going to do the wings in a second. But before we finish with our third oval, which is going to be the tail, we're going to show everybody a big surprise.
Yeah.
Now, some of you have been paying attention in the community tab, and you've already gotten a sneak peek.
Yeah.
But for the rest of you, we've got a surprise in store. So stay tuned. All right, now back to the drawing. The second oval is going to go right through the main body. We're going to end up erasing, but the second oval is going to be right through the main body, and it's going to be on a slight angle. Something like that. Cool, good job.
Oh, yeah.
Surprise! Welcome to our brand new drawing studio. You may have noticed that we've been away for a little bit. This is the reason why.
With all this new equipment that we got, it's really gonna make our background pop.
We actually filmed the whole thing. Check in the link in the description below, and that will bring you to Dad Builds 0.2. Check out the video. Watch me work. I'm the #1 chair tester.
But right now, let's get back to those ovals and finish up our airplane.
Yeah.
All right, now for the third oval. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. The third oval is going to be the tail. It's going to go right back here. It's going to be a little smaller. And it's going to go just like that. Good. Good, that's all enough. Good. Nice job, bud. Cool. All right, these planes are really coming along.
Yeah.
Now we have to use our eraser.
Yeah.
And we have to erase these parts that cover over the body of the airplane. Odin, at Craft Kids TV, do we go for perfection?
No,
We go for fun. That's right. And the reason we use pencil today, Odin, is so that if we do have a little mistakes, we can fix them up by
Racing.
That's right. Now this wing in the back is blocked by the body of the airplane. It's also known as the fuselage. In case you're an airplane expert, you might know that. This one here, we're going to show these lines coming onto the body a little bit because the wing attaches right about there. And then we're going to use our eraser again to erase this little line right here. All these planes look fabulous.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to leave this line here. And then we're going to do a little erasing back here. We need to erase this line and this line that don't belong. Nice job. All right, cool.
All right, cool.
All right, cool. So now we have just a few things left to do.
Yeah.
We're going to draw a windshield. And that windshield is going to look like that. It's basically like a letter L backwards. Good job. And we're going to draw circle windows. So we're going to draw however many circle windows we feel like. I'm going to draw 4.
I'm gonna
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circle windows.
I'm gonna draw 5.
Okay, you can draw as many as you want. You gonna make them little ovals?
Yeah.
2. Okay, Odin's gonna use oval windows, which is perfectly fine.
Actually, way more than 5.
Yours a big jet. Mine's just a little jet.
These aren't jets. These are airplanes.
Airplanes. Mine's a little airplane. Oh, you have multiple layers of windows, huh?
Yeah.
That's a double decker. That's awesome.
Triple layer, actually.
You gonna do a triple?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so Odin's got a bunch of windows. His airplane is really big. Mine's just a little airplane. It only has 4 windows. Now, you can, if you want, at home, you can add people in the windows if you prefer. One thing we do want to show you is how to make a face on this airplane. We're going to make a cute face. Okay, so we're going to give the front of the airplane an eyeball. And then that eyeball is going to have a small circle here and an even smaller circle here. Those are light reflection lines. or spots. Good. And this line of the windshield already kind of looks like a face. I mean the mouth, but if we leave it like that, it'll kind of look like a fish. So we're gonna put a little. He's like smiling out of the side of his mouth. He's got a little smile, just like that. Now it's a cute airplane. You ready to color, Odin?
Yeah.
So now we color, and these are our airplanes, so we can color them however we want.
Yeah.
Next, we get to go over our pencil lines with Sharpie.
Yeah.
You ready, bud?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. If we can find a good Sharpie, we'll do it.
That's one.
That might be a good one.
That's two.
Good enough, yeah.
Is this good? Yep, that's good.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right, now we color. So we fast forward and we show you what we have at the end.
Yeah.
One, two, three. There it is, our 3 oval airplanes.
Yeah.
Live from our new studio.
Make sure to post a picture of your drawing in the community tab.
If you haven't seen the studio build yet, check out the link in the description below, and it will bring you over to Dad Build 0.2. Subscribe for more videos.
Keep drawing, stay awesome, and see you in the next video.